Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your watch is paired and worn. This enables payments. Open Wallet on your iPhone or tap the side button on the watch to check cards. Add a card if needed. Tap Plus and complete bank verification so the card is authorized. Once done, make sure your preferred card is set as default in the watch app under Wallet and Apple Pay. These steps let you pay quickly in stores without digging for your phone or wallet. You double-press the side button to bring up Apple Pay. This is faster than opening apps. Next, swipe left or right to pick a different card if you prefer, otherwise leave the default. Hold the watch face within a few centimeters of the contactless reader. You'll feel a haptic tap and hear a beep when the terminal accepts the payment. If a PIN or signature is requested, the terminal will prompt you. Follow the merchant's instructions to complete the sale. You'll know the payment worked when the watch vibrates and shows done, then glance at the receipt or screen to confirm the amount. If the reader doesn't accept the watch, try holding it in place longer or double-pressing the side button again and selecting another card. If problems repeat, make sure Watch OS is updated, the card isn't expired, and your bank hasn't flagged transactions. As a last resort, remove and re-add the card in Wallet to refresh verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.